My name is Doug Bilderback and I am your presenter today. Our topic is AR credit and collections tips and tricks. Now, a couple other things that we can do is let's talk about our aging reports and how we can leverage the aging report as part of our credit and collections process. So, you're probably used to looking at this particular screen, but what some people don't recognize is I can look at only my overdue receivables. And so if I print that, that's going to then limit, not show me all the late or the on-time stuff, but only give me the transactions that are late. So even on somebody where they owe, where they have stuff in the late periods, he has another invoice that's current, and that is not showing up here. We filtered those particular ones out. And then I get to look down here and see my totals of my allocations. Another option that you can do is, I'm just going to flip this back to the standard here, is only customers over their credit limit. So maybe I want to look at things that way. Who is really outstanding and I got to worry about. And so Bargain Mart is the only one that's over their credit limit right now. Maybe I need to change their credit limit, or maybe I need to do some collections work on them or have some conversation with them. I can also, in my selections here, I can select current customer balance. Maybe I won't, only want to look at those who are overdue, but owe more than $1,000. So I can, use different parameters in here to refine my list down and see who meets those criteria. I could also use a billing cycle on here to filter my list and analyze that information as well. A couple different ways to kind of, dial into who you need to contact. You can also, when you're running the report, include their contact person, the phone number, and the credit limit, and maybe leave a space for comments. So if I hit print on this, here's the comment, and I'm seeing who's the contact, who do I need to talk to, what's their phone number, and what is their credit limit. So I get to kind of, I maybe, hey, Ron Black, he's got a big credit limit. He's not too far into it. Maybe I don't call him, but these guys, maybe I need to call them because they've got a $15,000 credit limit on that customer and they owe $77,000. So, and then here is our space for comments. So it just adds a little bit more space underneath if you want to write some notes. I will thank you all for a great day. If you've got suggestions for future sessions, hey, send them in either to myself or into support@Equation Tech. My information is right here on the screen. Give me a call, shoot me an email, send something into support@Equation Tech. We'd be happy to take your input and create a webinar out of it. Wish you a lot of sunshine out there. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.